In this video I will be showing you how to add and edit your block times. Block times appear in the calendar, and these are useful to set lunch breaks for your staff. This way no one can book in a job during this time. First, click on Config at the bottom left of the page. Next, click on the link that says Manage Recurring Calendar Block Times. To add a new block time, click on the Add Time button. First, you need to give your block time a title, for example, lunch break. Next you can add a description, but this is only optional. Then we have link source and two different options. First is location. This means the block time will be created at the same time across all your bays. The second option is bay. If you select bay, it brings up this additional drop-down where you can select which bay you would like to allocate the block time to. For now, we're going to stick with location. Then, you need to select which day and the time you are allocating to the block time. Now, click the Create Block Time button to save. Here you can see that our new block time has been added. If you would like to edit a block time that has already been created, this is how you do it. Firstly, click on the little pen and paper icon here. You can update any of the information that we previously put in. You can also choose to archive this block time by clicking the tick box below. Click on the Update Block Time button to save your changes. Here you can see that our block time has now been added.